guys, Rhonda Draculas here, RK3 Designs, and I have a super fun project that I am very happy to say is my personal project. I don't get to make things myself very often, but I'm really excited about this. We're redoing our bathroom, and if some of y'all have been following me, you've seen that I've done some leopard showers, leopard countertops, which I'll be super excited to reveal all of that to you as soon as it's done. But what we're doing today is some mirrors. My husband built these mirrors. They're made out of MDF, and obviously the mirror is not in the middle. But what I want to do is, so that I can tie it all into my bathroom, is I'm going to foil with, ta-da, leopard. Imagine that. And also, I found the coolest product on Amazon. My bathroom is kind of what you would call Mexican boho, I guess, Mexican chic, Mexican boho. So it's kind of funky. And I wanted to bring in Mexican tiles. I love the art, the Mexican art, the vivid colors, the flowers, the designs. But I really didn't want to go to the expense, the weight of all the tiles, and I wanted to do it really quickly. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I found these tiles. They are so cool. They're stickers and they look like Mexican tile. So I'm going to apply that on the top of the mirror, and then on my sides I'm going to use my leopard foil. So this is going to be so cool. I'm so excited to be able to share this with you. When this is all done, I'll put 2 coats of the Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy on top and they'll be ready to hang. So I've already put adhesive, foil adhesive on all of the edges. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foil and I'm going to take the ugly side, which is the brown side, and I'm going to lay that side onto the adhesive so that it will release the pattern. I'm very lightly laying it down first to make sure it's where I want it to be. What's really cool about this adhesive is I can lift it up, readjust, and lay it back down. Now, I'm not worried about any of the wrinkles in here. I really want kind of a vintage look. So the wrinkles I'm embracing, I'm allowing that. Taking my little scrub brush, I'll scrub that down. It's only gonna stick where I've laid adhesive down. The adhesive that I'm using today is from Artistic Painting Studio. You'll find a link in the comments as well as my website. All right, so I've taken this, pulled it up, and voila, no more stickiness. Anywhere that foil has laid down, the stickiness is taken away. So I'm going to go do this front edge. So again, I'm going to take my foil. I even like to crunch it up sometimes to give a little more visual interest. I don't want to go all the way to the edge. This is a hard edge, and I want to leave about a ½ inch so that when I overlap my pieces, you won't see that hard edge. Now I'm going to overlap just a little bit. And there we go. So what I'll do is I'll continue doing this all the way around, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to put the tile on. Hey guys, we would love to see you in one of our hands-on classes. We have several classes to choose from. Check out our website for scheduling, prices, and if you have any questions, let me know. I have 2 of these mirrors, one for each side of my bathroom, and I've already finished all the edges with the foil on this mirror, so I'm going to continue on. So I've taken my little stickers, 4x4 stickers, made to look like tile, awesome, and I'm just going to start laying them down. And what I really like about this is that I can position these stickers, and then if it's in the wrong position, I can pull them up and it doesn't tear them. So I like to go just to the edge to where I can just use my finger and kind of press it down so it'll kind of round over, and it butts up so neat next to this leopard print. So I'm going to finish this around and then come back with the epoxy. Okay, so with my trusty assistant Paul, we have stuck all the stickers on here, and I'm going to take Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, 8 ounces, with a tiny bit of gold dust, just a tiny bit. I don't want that glitter to overpower anything. I just want it to have a little hint of sparkle in it. And I'm going to lay everything down, and I'll be ready to use this in no time. Okay, so what I've done is I've gotten 8 ounces of epoxy, and I'm going to do maybe what I call a skim coat. I don't want to do a full coat on here with the 3 ounces per square inch, so I went with 1 ounce per square inch to help me lay these tiles down. Then once that dries, I'll come back over, do a flood coat with the full 3 ounces per square inch. So this light coat lets me be able to really rub those corners and really make sure that these tiles are laying down a lot easier. I don't want to use the trowel and maybe take a chance on scratching. Plus, I want to be able to really wrap my hands around the edges so that I can really make sure I get good adhesions with my tiles, and also make sure the epoxy is covering everything. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little fun project. It just shows that there's so many things that we can do with epoxy to have really fun, neat, creative ideas. If you have any ideas for me, please leave some comments, give me some ideas, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.